My name is Brian Steele. I am in charge of IT infrastructure, security, and operations for Salad & Go. We're a drive-through restaurant chain. We're currently at 140 locations. We're adding between 50 and 100 stores per year in multiple states. And one of our biggest problems is getting broadband internet. That involves construction, trenching. It'll usually take 4 to 6 months. It's the biggest problem we have. And the majority of the time, they're not in on time. It's extremely expensive. It's anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 in construction per site. Broadband as a whole isn't very reliable either. We would generally put in a router that would have broadband internet with a cellular backup, with just normal cellular like paddle antennas on it. When those do go down, 20% of our business is online orders. Those stop. But as far as our customers are concerned, we're down. We're not getting any of those orders. So we have to, the goal is to keep it online 100% of the time because it's real money being lost when it's down. In early 2023, we were building a store, one of these ground up stores near the Super Bowl that was going to be played in Phoenix, Arizona. And this was going to be a big deal. A lot of customers coming through, a lot of eyeballs on this new Salad & Go. And the problem is our broadband provider said they couldn't get it in on time. And not only that, it was going to cost $56,000, which would have been the highest construction bill we ever paid. You know, there's got to be some kind of cellular technology beyond what I'm used to using with broadband and something else. Somebody must make something that's dual cellular, 5G. And if I could find that and it's reliable, then that could be a win. And I would try it. So I started actually Google searching like unbreakable internet. And sure enough, it happened to be Peplink's tagline. I went ahead and filled out the info form. Within 15 minutes, I got an email back saying, hi, we're from Peplink. We're going to set you up with our partner from West Networks. Less than 20 minutes later, I got a call from Peter West saying, hi, I'm Peter West. I can help you with your problem. That Monday, so we're talking about less than 48 hours later, we had dual 5G internet running in that store, fully reliable and ready to go. And we've been doing it ever since. We canceled all future broadband contracts. We've never installed another line since then. We're saving between $10,000 and $20,000 per location in construction costs. When you do the math, how many we're building is material. On top of that, the construction team's meeting with all these different broadband providers and stuff like that every week. It was a lot of time. So now we don't do that anymore. We used to take 4 to 6 months in construction. Time is now 4 to 6 hours of just provisioning, and that's including the install. So we can stand up a brand new Peplink router with antenna, with a switch. It auto programs itself in the store. So most of the time is just getting it configured, installing the antenna and stuff like that, but we've never looked back. And as far as like recurring costs, it saves us a lot of money because some of these broadband connections, you either pay for it all up front or you can spread the cost over a 5-year period. So we were paying 3 to 4 times per month. We can now just use the cellular providers, the big three. We have unlimited bandwidth from each one per month. It's a fixed cost, which is a huge deal we're in the QSR market, quick service restaurants. So anything that hits the operational expense for a store is a big deal. Those are dollars closely watched. It's what drives our profitability. So to have a fixed cost per store is a huge deal. And keeping them online, so we're keeping the revenue flowing is a big deal. So our store operators love it because we haven't had a Peplink support ticket for over the year we've been using it. So it's a full enterprise product and I'd recommend it. I wish I had had this years ago. What I would recommend to anybody that's going to look at Peplink is find a really good partner. I was lucky that I found West Networks first. In my opinion, they're probably the best partner in the world. Peter West is amazing. Like I said, from that first day that he saved us at that Super Bowl store to where he helped us design our corporate offices. He helped us design our central kitchens, those food production facilities. And they are just always available. They've done all the design work. They've helped us implement everything. And I think that's a big piece. It's not just the technology, it's finding the right partner to help you implement that technology. And I do highly recommend West Networks. We're going to be with them for a long time.